Hey guys, Harptronics here, and I'm working on some electrical installation. These are our soffit lights for the kitchen. Just got that circuit all hooked up and working. Got one for the bathroom here. Don't have anything for here yet because this will be like a hanging light. And then in the closet over here, got some stuff as well. Oh, and also the bedroom. And here I can't make up my mind. You'll see this kind of two-tone thing going on. Wow, focus. Anyway, I can't decide if I like the cooler or the warmer light. I think I want something in between. These ones out here are kind of in between, and I really like the color of these. These are also a very high CRI bulb. This one, too warm for the bathroom I think, but these ones are a little too cool. I'm okay with the ones in here, although I would like them to be a little bit warmer. But this is a closet, so you kind of want the light to be as neutral as possible, as white as possible. And this is pretty close to daylight. I think these are 5,000 Kelvin bulbs. And that'll make the colors show the truest in there when you're picking out your clothes. If you're not familiar with what CRI and Kelvin are, basically as you burn something, you heat something up, it starts to glow. The coolest glowing in terms of bulbs you can get is probably like around 2000 Kelvin or 2700. These are 2700 and they're very orange, very soft lighting. They call it very warm lighting. These are, well, I'll go over here first. These are 3800 Kelvin, so 2700 to 3800. They're a lot more white looking, but they still have a little bit of warmth to them, and I quite like this color. These, so here we got the 2700, and this is a 5000 Kelvin. So this is getting close to daylight, but it's very, very, very cool, like a bluish almost color to it. It's still pretty white, but it does have a little bit of like a blue tone to it. And this is probably going to come out a little weird on the camera because the camera's trying to do dynamic white balancing. But after a couple of seconds you see it kind of adjusts, and this out here I think looks really good. I need to get things that are 3800. I think I want to do those basically throughout. I think that's the best color. Also in here I think I need a brighter bulb. This is a 815 lumen, and it's just too dark for a bathroom. I know we're going to have lights up here on the wall, but it's just a little too dark as the main. Kind of come in here, flip one switch, you want a decent amount of light, and that's just not quite enough. In here, we got two cans. So you can see how blue that looks on the camera until I actually, I'm in here for a couple seconds, then it sort of adjusts. But in here, this is I think these are 800 lumen bulbs. These are Cree bulbs. And my choices are basically 5000 or 2700 for them. But, I don't know. I'm going to see if I can find more bulbs like this. But anyway, just kind of a cool update that I got some switches that work. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.